Hey guys, Matt here with Chris Reeve Knives, here talking about the Impinda. It's our new slip joint designed by Bill Harsey. We debuted this at Blade Show last year and it won the American-made Knife of the Year, much in part to Bill's ingenious design and this new mechanism. So we made an acrylic model here to show how this works, but what Bill was able to achieve is a 1 pound draw tension to a 5 pound closing tension on the same spring. He did that through a cam design here that you can kind of see, but this outer lobe will hold the blade closed, where the inner lobe will hold the blade open as a kind of a cam design there. Furthermore, it maintains a single point of contact all the way through the blade travel, so you don't have to worry about the snapping closed at any point in time. So if you go past the open position, anywhere it's going to stop. It will never spring anywhere but where you want it. This is a knife that has been massively successful for us, and we have a lot of orders for it, and we're very excited to be a part of this with Bill, who's one of our favorite designers to collaborate with. And these are available at KnifeCenter as well as anywhere else you want to find knives. But we're happy to do this for you. This is the production model here. Currently it's available in a drop point in this titanium configuration. We will debut more options in the future as we get caught up on this particular model. But that's the Impinda slip joint. New for SHOT Show, we've got our new 2019 computer-generated graphics. We've done 3 this year. This one's called the Lunar Landing, to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the lunar landing. It's a very cool graphic with a capuchon as well as just a really nice kind of motif and interpretation of the lunar landing graphic. On the back side here, there's a boot print and then the timestamp for the mission duration. Just kind of esoteric, but people in the space industry sort of like that kind of stuff. We've got the 3rd in our 5 series run of the African Big 5. This year it's the Rhino. And the first year was the Leopard, second year was Cape Buffalo. We're on the 3rd, which is the Rhino. This is new for this year. And the last but not least is our chainmail graphic. This is a sandblasted graphic with a material removal with our laser that gives you kind of a nice grip feature to it. It can also be re-sandblasted in the future should you get it scratched up in use. But this is a popular graphic for us as well. Other than that, what we've done is the natural micarta inlay on the Sebenza. Previously, this micarta was only available on the Nkosi, but we've decided to offer it on the Sebenza as well. This is available in all 3 blade profiles, as well as all 3 Damascus profiles. That's what we have new for this year. We have a lot of plans for Blade Show, but in the meantime, these should keep you guys held over, we hope. Thanks so much.